Now to a developing story, a referendum item on the ballot in Orange County will not count.
That's the decision of an appeals court judge. News 6's Troy Campbell explains why.
In August, commissioners here voted 4-3 in favor of the ballot initiative, which is aimed at limiting how much a landlord can raise their rent every year. However, after a lawsuit filed by the Florida Realtors Association, that part of the ballot is off for now.
2 judges appointed by Governor DeSantis did vote to stop that.
Sheena Roll, the senior director of strategy for Florida Rising, says the ballot initiative would have required rental rate hikes to not exceed the rate of inflation.
But when we looked at the incredibly fast and high rate by which rents were increasing, up to 27% and often sometimes higher, that was a housing emergency.
About 120,000 mail-in and early voting ballots have already been submitted in Orange County, all of which have the now void ballot initiative. Orange County election supervisor Bill Cowles says people in Orange County should focus on turning in their ballots and let the courts figure out the rest.
The history is very clear that once the ballot is the ballot and it's out, you don't pull it back in and start over. It's then, as we've done in the past, we would put notice to voters in the early voting booths and in the polling place booth saying that if you vote for this issue, the vote will not count.
Roll says the big developers creating large apartment complexes throughout Orange County don't need to be raising their rental rates. She says they are creating an artificial housing crisis.
We understand that businesses are not charitable entities by nature, and so they're out to make profit. But there has to be a line in our economy where you are not creating an emergency simply because you can.
Florida Rising says they are now calling on Orange County Mayor Jerry Demings to publicly support this part of the ballot. However, Mayor Demings has already spoken out publicly opposing it. Roll says she's hopeful come election day, a court will have reversed this decision. In Orange County, Troy Campbell, Getting Results, News 6.